What's good, Humsy Gang? It's your boy, and I am back once again, you guys, with another video. Y'all like, bro, where have you been? I've just been chilling, but I'm actually gonna I might drop 2 videos today. So yeah, today, y'all read by that title. Oh yeah, and if y'all worried about my hair, I did get started locks and getting dreads. But anyway, I just got some brand new Crocs, as y'all read by the title. So I actually got 2 pairs. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Road to 60 subscribers. We're at 1 subscriber away from 60 subscribers. Then we on the road to 70. Make sure y'all like, y'all comment, subscribe, and we can get right into the video. Alright, I'm trying to fix y'all up. Alright, let's go. So right here, and then we got right here. 2 pair of Crocs. Which one should I open first? I actually forgot which one it is. Any, money, more, because it's about, so if you have to go any, money, more, my mom told me to pick this one right over here. Go with this one. Y'all probably like, it's not that serious. Okay, but anyways, first Croc box is going to open it up. Oh, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, we got the tie-dye boys. Actually, Ben wants some tie-dye Crocs, but it's just tie-dye Crocs, bro. Oh, stop. They finna fall. Alright, tie-dye Crocs. Oh. Focus, camera, focus. Y'all see it. Tie-dye Crocs. Now, oh yeah, y'all. And I'm finna be dropping more BB gun videos. It's gonna go crazy. Like, I'm finna drop way more BB gun videos. I'm finna go back and shoot alligators, all type of stuff. So, yeah, anyways, we're going to the next box. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 0. Y'all can see, but the other one can start. Focus. What the heck is this in here? The heck is this? What's the thing? But yeah, we got the American flag. Hold on. Focus. And we got the tie-dye boys. I got like 5 pair of Crocs, y'all. I got the white one. I got the all white ones. I got the orange ones, the peach ones. I got the yellow ones. I got these, and I got the tie-dye. I got 5 pair of Crocs. They just comfortable, especially with no shoes on. Oh my god. As y'all can see, let me see how I'm gonna do this. As y'all can see, got the Crocs. So you guys, that's gonna end this video. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. I got another video coming to y'all in about like an hour or so. Make sure y'all like, y'all comment, subscribe. Way more BB guns coming in the future. Man, that being said, on to game. Out.